How to transfer Discord servers ownership on your PC. Hello everyone, and let's get started. On today's video, we'll be discussing on how can we transfer the Discord servers ownership from one member to another one on your Discord PC. So without any delay, let's get started with today's video. To get started with, open your Discord PC and log in into your account. Once you do so, select the server in which you want to transfer the ownership. But before that, you have to make sure that you are the owner of that server. Now, click on the drop-down menu right beside your server name and go to the server settings. After that, scroll down at bottom and then you will see the option of user management. Tap on members and then you will see a list of members that are currently enrolled in the server. Likewise, I only have one member right now, but if you have more than one member, on the right side of it you have the three dots. If you tap on it, you will see the option of transfer ownership. Tap on it and you're good to go. So that is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.